Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to search for word in Google Docs. So let's start the video. At first, open your document in Google Doc. Now press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard. For Mac, press Command plus F. A small search box will appear in the top right corner of your document. Now type the word you want to find. Google Docs will instantly highlight every match in your document. If there are multiple matches, you can click on the up and down to see the matches in your document. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.